Sherry is playing the integer card game and is given a chance to discard a set of matching cards. Sherry determines that if she discards one set of cards, her score will increase by 12. If she discards another set of cards, then her score will decrease by 8. If her matching cards make up all 6 cards in her hand, what cards are in Sherry's hands? And are there any other possibilities? So we know that there are 6 cards in her hand. We also know that if she's discarding them, we are going to draw lines through it to represent her discarding them. One set of matching cards changes her score by increasing it by 12. If it increases her score by 12, she has to discard negative cards. Getting rid of negatives in her hand is going to increase her score. If I have 4 cards that need to make 12, each one should have a 3 in it. But since she is discarding them, they need to be -3. Discarding negatives increases your score. If she discards the other set of cards, it decreases her score by 8. To decrease your score when discarding, you're supposed to get rid of positive cards. So 2 +4 cards discarded will decrease her score by 8. Let's think about if there are any other possibilities. Here's another set of 6. What if this time these are the ones that change her score by 12, and these are the ones that change it by 8? Again, all of these should be discarded. If she's discarding 4 cards, each one would need to be a 2 in order to get 8. Discarding positives decreases your score. Discarding negatives increases your score. What 2 cards would she need to get 12? Negative something. You fill in the number piece of what it needs to be to get to 12 using 2 cards.